This is my quick review of this Philips Universal Remote Control, which allows you to pair 3 different devices that includes TV, STR for streaming devices, AUD for audio devices like a home theater, a soundbar, or an amplifier. Overall, I think this is a very solid universal remote control. It has all the basic features that people expect in a size that is quite compact. You see here, this is my hand, and it's very comfortable to hold as well since it has this small notch on the back. If we compare it to my regular LG remote control that came with my TV, we can see that it has almost all the same buttons, placed differently. The only thing that is missing are these custom buttons to launch Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime Video. But I wasn't using them anyway. It works with smart TVs and not smart TVs as well, and you'll have to test those buttons to see what they do because sometimes you're not sure. For example, this is the stream button over here, and if I press it, it will launch Netflix. It's a bit weird. I didn't expect this, but it's a cool feature to have. You have the home button here. Most brands have a home settings on their original remote, so you just have to press it there. And to control your media, you have these pretty usual buttons as well. One thing that some remote control has that this one does not is a backlight. So if your lights are switched off, there's nothing lighting these buttons up. This is a feature you're looking for. There's many other models having this feature. The button's size is pretty okay. As you see here, this is my thumb. I have a regular hand, nothing too big or too small, and I'm able to press on all of them without any issue. These buttons over here are smaller than usual, but I won't press them very often, so I'm okay with it. The OK button is slightly raised. I know it's a bit hard to see here, but compared to other buttons here, it's slightly raised, and I think I love this since it's easy to find, and once you found the OK button, you know that the arrows are around it, so navigating using this remote control is quite pleasant. This remote takes 2 AAA batteries, and it also works with rechargeable ones. And when times comes to program this remote control with your device, I found it to be as easy as other brands. It's mostly the same thing. It comes with a list of codes in the box, so you find the name of your device and input the code. And it has an automatic mode where the remote control will search for the code by itself and program the code so it stays registered.